Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? Welcome to another vlog. My name is Frisky Hug. I'm an EDM content creator. For those of you that don't know me, I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, all that stuff. You can add me on everything at Frisky Hug. So we got the Insomniac's first countdown here in Orlando. They're calling it Orlando Invasion. It's over at the Fairgrounds in Orlando. This isn't the fit. I'm actually recording this on day 2 because I was just dead day 1. My fit for this vlog, I have the inflatable like alien giving me a shoulder ride. It was super cool, super sweet. I'm really happy I wore that. The vlog is very fun. I tried to record as much as I could of the sets, but unfortunately I think I only got like the good parts. I mean, I guess at this point I would do like the outro to this. So I'm just gonna do it now and we'll just put it all in the intro since I'm recording this actually day 2. I will say I was a little disappointed with deadmau5. You know, I just wasn't feeling the music, and what really got to me was the festival's called Countdown. So why was there no countdown during deadmau5's set? I don't know. That really kind of bummed me out. I was really hoping to get a good countdown with all my friends. Nope. It ended with him just saying, "Oh, Happy New Year's, by the way." He kept playing his techno, and I was like, God damn, like, okay. Overall, the festival was so good, so amazing. Definitely had a great time. And then a lot of you guys actually came up to me, and we had like a good 5 to 10 minute conversations with each one of you. I'm so glad I had the time, and I took the time because sometimes I forget, just like running around and stuff, especially when I have like those meetups. But I took the time to kind of like get to know you guys and like talk and stuff like that, and that was like really heartwarming to me. You guys have some really sweet things to say, and that honestly, I've been going through like some transitional stuff, and I've really been getting in my own head. So you guys coming up to me and like telling me all this stuff, like it's helping me out, because like now I'm motivated again to edit these vlogs and do these vlogs and do this podcast, and like, you know, so just want to say thanks. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. The stuff that you guys say to me, it really brings me back to life, honestly. All right, but enough rambling. I hope you guys enjoy. This is a day 1 vlog of Orlando Invasion. We made it. We're here. Day 1 countdown Orlando Invasion. I had to shorten my flag. It was too long. Security. I kind of spent a little bit at security, but it's all good. So that was the Twilight Zone stage. We're gonna head over to the second stage. I don't know what the name is.
Hey, what's good? Yo, Fingers fam, yo. There's the whole Fingers fam right here.
Yo, how's it going, guys?
Oh, shit, you're Frisky Hug.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, it's good, Frisky Hug. Happy New Year!
That's it, man. How are you? Good, good.
I've been working, man.
Hey, doing, buddy? Having a good time?
Have a great time, man.
Let's go. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, you're having a good time, bud?
Oh, boring as fuck.
I bumped into Armistice too. What? The legend herself.
The legend itself. Take care of your friends. Do not let people drunk drive. Do not drunk drive. Take care of your friends. Make sure they're hydrated. Make sure that you actually have the text message in which they are friends are safe. Let them know. Happy New Year's.
So one stage, second one's indoors, and then we got the third one over there. That's the main stage. Water refill stations, merch, bars and food trucks. We're gonna go to the second stage. We're gonna sit down on the grass, just kind of chill out for a second. I don't know. What do you say about that? What do you say about that, Joe Byron? We found Lindsay. Magic. Hey, buddy.
Let's go.
We found Payne.
With it.
Frisky Hug! How you doing, buddy? Doing good, bud. Love it, love it.